In this video, I will show you how you can make the clock bigger on the lock screen of your iPad 11 A16. Now to increase the size of the clock on the lock screen of your iPad, first of all, just go to the home screen of your iPad, then swipe down from the top left of the screen and open the notifications panel. Over here, just tap and hold on the empty space on the lock screen. Now after you arrive on this page, now just tap on Customize. And over here, to increase the size of the clock on the lock screen of your iPad, just drag the clock down from this handle over here. And after you do that, you will increase the size of the clock on the lock screen. Now if you're unable to find this handle at the lower right corner of the clock, then this is most likely because you have changed the font of the lock screen clock. As you can see, if I change the font of the clock on the lock screen, as you can see, the handle has disappeared from the clock. Just make sure you select the default font. For that, just tap on the clock and select the first font at the left side over here. And after you do that, the handle will appear again on the clock. And just drag this handle down to increase the size of the clock on the lock screen. And once you're done editing the clock size, then just select Done and tap on the wallpaper to set it. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.